Mahir. Today we will show how to fix max flow panel cooler. First of all, you will get the size of the panel cooler front. After take the size of the panel cooler front, you will make one hole on the top of the panel cooler. After making the hole, you will put the panel cooler in the hole. Inside you will fix this fixing. After make the fixing there, your panel cooler is stand on the top of the panel cooler like that. Here we will fix one air filter for moisturizing. So if you put the filter, if we fix the filter here, so we will get the water free air in the panel. So now we fix this one solenoid valve for control the air switching. Your panel cooler is fixed like that on the top of the panel. So this is the solenoid valve for switching. This is the air filter for moisturizing, and this is your panel cooler. Here you will get the cool air. Here you will insert the PU pipe for main air line. Now we go the inside of the panel. Inside of the panel, we will put this thermostat on the rail mount like that. Here now we take the connection, how we will connect the thermostat with solenoid valve. First of all, there are two wires. One is neutral wire and one is the phase wire. Neutral wire you will give direct to the solenoid valve, and the second phase wire you will put one end here, one side of the thermostat, and second side you will get out and give to the valve. So in thermostat there are the temperatures switches like that: 0, 10, 20, 30. Here you will set any temperature like 30, 35. If your temperature is more than 50, 60, your panel cooler will be on. If your temperature come on the set temperature like 30, 35, it will be automatically shut off. And second thing, you will fix this pipe inside the panel cooler like that. Here at the end of the pipe we will put end stopper. After fixing the end stopper, we will make this pipe fix all around inside of the panel like that, here all around in the panel. So after fixing the pipe in all around the panel, so your air is locked in this pipe. Now we will get the air from cool air from this like that. We will make small punches where we want to get the air. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, you will contact at our website www.almahirmachinery.com.